Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Celestial Space Facts. In this video, we will know about exoplanets. Everything you need to know about the worlds beyond our solar system. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered since the 1990s, including the hot Jupiters, Super Earths, and other type of alien world. Exoplanets are the planets that orbit stars other than the Sun and thus exist outside the solar system. The word exoplanet derived from term extrasolar planet, which hints at its existence beyond the influence of our star. Prior to the 1990s, humanity had never observed a planet beyond the solar system and thus could not confirm such worlds existed. In the more than 3 decades since the first discovery of exoplanet, NASA's exoplanet catalog has burgeoned. As of 2023, the exoplanet catalog contains over 5,500 confirmed exoplanets and almost 10,000 additional candidate exoplanets. Exoplanets that orbit in the so-called habitable zone, the region around their star where it's not too hot or too cold to sustain liquid water, are targets for the search for life outside the solar system. Can life survive on exoplanet? That depends on the exoplanet. The chances of life existing on an exoplanet are significantly greater if that planet exists in habitable zone of its star. Astronomers are also currently becoming aware of the possibility of hiking worlds. These planets are dominated by liquid oceans and could hang on to liquid water outside standard habitable zones, thus widening the potential area around a star in which life could exist. Can humans go to exoplanets? Currently, the closest exoplanet to Earth is Proxima Centauri b, which orbits the star Proxima Centauri located 4 light years away. The crew carrying module of Artemis missions is Orion, which according to its maker Lockheed Martin has a top speed of 24,000 mph. That means that traveling constantly at this top speed and assuming no diversions, it would take Orion over 1 billion hours to reach Proxima Centauri. That's more than 114,000 years. So, until the invention of light speed travel or suspended animation, it is not possible to travel to an exoplanet. How many planets are exoplanet? Over 5,500 exoplanets have been discovered so far, with a further 9,900 suspected exoplanets awaiting confirmation. All this has happened since 1992, so these numbers are likely to change frequently. Fortunately, NASA's exoplanet catalog is updated continuously. One thing that has become abundantly clear in humanity exploration of exoplanet is that planets come in much wider range of categories than can be seen in solar system. While our planetary system hosts a relatively ordered system of terrestrial planets like Earth, gas giants like Jupiter, ice giants like Neptune, and dwarf giants like Pluto, exoplanets are more diverse and more discorded. Hot Jupiters. Hot Jupiters are gas giants exoplanets that orbit close to their stars and complete a full orbit in just a few days. The hot in hot Jupiter refers to the proximity of these planets to their star, which can be leading to varying surface temperature. The Jupiter in the name refers to the fact that these worlds have sizes and masses that are most comparable to Jupiter's, though they can be many times more massive or just a fraction of its mass. The proximity to their star can cause hot Jupiters to puff out to huge diameters while making them incredibly light in terms of density. Some of the lightest exoplanets ever found are hot Jupiters. Hot Jupiter's size and proximity to their stars also create greater effects on these stars, meaning they are easily seen using the radical velocity and transit method. This means the exoplanet catalog is heavily and disproportionately weighted in favor of hot Jupiters. There is nothing like hot Jupiter in the solar system, and some devices suggest that these planets may form farther out, like Jupiter and Saturn are in our solar system, and then migrate closer to their stars. Hot Jupiters overlap the following categories of exoplanet when examples of these worlds are found close to their stars. Terrestrial exoplanet. Terrestrial exoplanets are roughly Earth-sized worlds outside the solar system that are composed of rock, silicate, water, and carbon. The bulk composition of these worlds is dominated by rock or iron, and they can have either a solid or the liquid surface, according to the NASA. A deeper investigation of these exoplanets is required to determine if they have atmospheres or oceans. Perhaps unsurprisingly, as Earth is the only planet we are aware of that hosts life, these worlds are the major targets in our hunt for life beyond the solar system. Super Earths or mini Neptune.